Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to dive in a section of facial spa, you can say. So the facial kit I would be using is this one by Biotique Advanced Ayurveda. It is the Flawless Fair Skin Pearl White Facial Kit, and this is actually a 6-step facial system. I have already used this sort of facial kit in past. It was by Organic Harvest, but this time I'm going to use one by the Biotique Ayurveda. Yes, so yes, if you want to know more about the facial and you want to know the demonstration and everything about this kit, then keep on watching the video and make sure to watch this video if you want to know about the Organic Harvest kit of this sort. So I'm gonna start by the price. Now the price is 250 rupees and it retails both in online and offline stores. Now the packaging looks pearly white. I guess this is the pearl white theme they have followed, the same that of the facial. And let's just see what all they have mentioned on the kit. Now this is the all vegetarian product and this is valid for like 3 years. I mean the expiry date is up to 3 years. And then also we have medicinal herbs in it, and there are organically pure and preservative free products in it. Now these are all dermatologically tested and there was no animals testing. Let's just dive in it and see what is inside it. Then at the end we'll see what were the pros and cons of this kit. Let's just do the facial. So I'm all ready for the facial. Now we are just gonna open this and see what is inside it. Let's just tub off the corrector, and then we have 5 pouches inside it. We are going to start one by one with step 1. Now this is the first product or first step of the facial. This will deeply cleanse the skin and unclogs the pore and prepare the skin for further steps. I am just going to apply this cleansing milk all over my face and then we're gonna massage. Now this is a lot of product and they said this will exfoliate your skin. I don't know how, because oh my god, my band, because this does not has any exfoliating particle. Now I can say that it will basically prep your skin for the facial. It will not exfoliate your skin because it's just like a cleansing lotion, I guess. It will not give you any sort of exfoliation. So that claim is, I guess, strong. I'm happy that unlike other biotic products, it does not have that tingling sensation and my skin is not feeling anything on it. Face is cleansed now. I'm just gonna take it off with moist scotch. The second step of facial is this, using this pearl powder. Okay, now this fairness facial with pearl and zinc. Okay, now there is one problem with this, that you have to take an appropriate amount of this powder, mix it with milk to make smooth paste, and then apply it on face and neck. Leave it for some time, like 1 or 2 minutes, then using the wet fingertips massage in circular upward strokes. And the problem is that if you are giving this sort of packaging, you can give a gel based or a milk based scrub or scrubbing powder. So I thought it would be really better if instead of powder it would be literally scrub particles and you don't have to go with the mess of mixing and because this is actually a pre-made kit, so this should be also in pre-made form. We're gonna do what they say. We're gonna open it and then mix it, do all the job on our face, and then we'll see. This powder is like atta or flour, whatever you can say it, and it is super soft. This is how the paste or everything looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it on my face because my hand cannot get more of it. It's spilling every day. That's why I hate this sort of packaging. They would just have given it in a liquid form because I don't think it has anything preserved with it. So let me see. Let's leave it for 1-2 minutes. I have left it for 1 minute, I guess, and it has started settling. I mean, it's kind of turned out into a mask. I don't think so. I should leave it for more. Just rub it on your skin for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it started settling down on it. It is turning out to be a mask for me. It's not an exfoliator. It's a sort of good mask. I'm gonna massage it a little bit more off camera and then I'm gonna take it off. Now the step 2 is done and you can see that my face is quite clear and it has such a little glow in it. I mean, it's clear, so my skin is peeking through, my clear skin is peeking through. So I quite like the effect of it on my face, but what I didn't like is the messiness of the product. You have to, you know, take it out, mix it with milk, and then it will flow on your face and make your skin like chalky sort of thing, and then the manipulation on the face was really tough. Now we are on step third, and the third product is the pearl cream. Now this has nourishing property, and this will rejuvenate dull, tired and sluggish skin. Okay, chalo, then we'll start this one. There is a small note that penetrate half the quantity of pearl serum while massaging before cream. So before this you have to go with step 5, but you have to go with half of the pouch of step 5. This instruction is not clear, I'm telling you, but I am going to massage this serum on my face. Now I'm going to use the face serum, and it has the blend of vitamin E, minerals and nutmeg oil, and there is no time written on the pack, so I'm going to use it for like 3 minutes or 4-5 minutes. That's how the texture looked like. It has a shampoo sort of fragrance. Which shampoo it was? Clinic Plus, I guess. So I took a lot of product, but I just want to say that the serum provided me that stinging sensation on the face, which was not good, and it quite stayed for a lot of time, but it smells so good, so good. I just can't believe it. Started forming something on my hand. I mean, it's like a residue that's coming on my hand. Serums don't usually do that, but I'm massaging it well on my face. Now there is no instruction saying that you have to take off the serum with moist cotton or so I'm going to use my cream on it. I think it's like quite strange, like my skin is shedding off. This is skin and cream mixed, shedding off, and I'm not, you know, wiping it off. It's quite strange, right? I'm just gonna apply my cream and then we'll see what happens next. Now it's time to massage the face. Let's start massaging it on the skin. It doesn't have that tingling sensation, or maybe it's too early to say that. Okay, I'm gonna massage for 20 minutes. The smell of this cream is very talc-like, you know, that of synthol, or very masculine smell, and it's giving me a little bit of sensation as well. The cream is very, you know, creamy in consistency, and it has a little bit of you know, luster in underneath it. So if you can use it as a moisturizer or highlighter underneath your foundation, you know, if you can save it for future, because that packet's gonna last a little long, so you can keep it actually. And this feels awkward on skin. It's not the best feeling on the skin, I must say. Now I'm gonna apply this pearl pack from the kit, and we'll keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Just quickly applying it over here, as you can see. Just spreading a thin layer on my skin now. Okay guys, this was the worst product in the whole kit. Now it provided my skin a burning sensation. My skin was super hot. I literally had to keep my face in front of the refrigerator in the freezing box, and I was feeling a lot of burn. If your face doesn't tingle in the beginning, it will definitely tingle after some time, so don't put it near the eye area. Now just try to keep it for 10 minutes because you cannot keep it for 20 minutes. That's it with the face pack as well. You can see my skin is nice and glowing, but it was really hard to keep that face pack because it seems like it just burned my face, man. It was so hot on the skin. I don't know, it was acting good, but it was just irritating my eyes. It was hard on my skin, and that's Mr. Badal and Miss Barish. They are coming and going, coming and going. I'm gonna go with the last step, which is not cream but to apply serum. That's how much I'm gonna apply. But this one feels nice. Yes, with this we complete our facial, but one product is left, which is the spot corrector. Now this is the last product, and this product you get in actually a tub. And these are the spots, I guess, which needs maximum, you know, concentration of that spot corrector, but I'm applying it on all over the face. that is it with the Biotique Advanced Formula Pearl White Facial Kit. We did the whole facial and you can see the result by yourself. I'm loving the subtle glow on my skin. Let's just conclude this kit. So first, I think they have claimed that this is for all skin type. That is quite right. It has actually the balanced amount of contents. It's really good for dry skin, and I can see that it has not made my skin super moisturized or super dry, so people of all skin can use it. Then again, the lotion cleanses the skin. The powder was really messy. If you are someone who likes that the package should be clean and you should just pour and use the contents, then I don't think so you should use it. Again, the cream was also good. The face pack, it did give a burning sensation to my skin, which I didn't like actually, but it didn't give any redness to my skin, which I liked a lot. And then the serums are also good. Serums has the best fragrance. Overall, the kit worked quite well on my skin. If you're someone who is not taking care of your skin like on the daily basis, this is a really good to go skin. For hostel going kids, it's like too good. I don't think so this product has any harmful effect on my skin except for that severe tangling and burning sensation, but I don't think so it stays for long, because when I took off that face mask, the tingling sensation settled and there was no burning sensation as well. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone who just want to invest in a at-home facial therapy or a kit. So this is really a best kit for them. And with that, we will compile our video. That is it with the video. And if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to review some more products like that, hit on that comment and just write down in the comment that you want more. And I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bye.